Fixture of Troy University's campus is currently being renovated. The goal? Give it a new and modernized look.
Well, it's going through an interior remodel and lots of components. So we've got new flooring under the seats, we've got new carpet down the aisleways coming in, it's got brand new theater seating, it's going to get completely repainted, and then we have an audio-visual package coming in.
Not only is Claudia Crosby Theater a popular venue for campus events, it also welcomes community events.
It's our campus theater. I mean, it's the community theater. So it's what a lot of the folks in the community come in and they see.
Renovations started June 1st, but the project hasn't been without delays. Despite those setbacks, Berkey says crews are full steam ahead.
You know, the goal was convocation. That's still my goal. But we're trying to get a bunch of stuff rushed through production right now, and I'm not sure if that's going to happen. So I'd like to tell you an exact date, but without knowing those right now, I can't.
The theater got its name in 1999 after arts patron Claudia Crosby donated $1.3 million to renovate the Smith Hall Auditorium. Savannah Edgar, Troy, TrojanVision News.
The construction is having some delays, but crews are hopeful it will be open to the public soon.